I call this meeting to order. This year, due to COVID, we have lost a lot of our close friends, our health workers, a lot of people we know, our family. In the Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision, we lost two of our family members. Firstly, Lieutenant General Viravindra Thodge, and secondly, past President D.K. Sahani. I would request everybody to join us in a silent prayer in memory of all the COVID warriors. Thank you, everybody. Please be seated. I would request all our dignitaries to please step up and light the lamp, where I would request Shivani and Shantala to please recite the Ganesh Vandana.
He Gajavadana, Gajavadana Vakratunda Mahakaya. He Gajavadana Vakratunda Mahakaya. Dashavatani आमी धरितो तुमसेच पाय. दशावतानी आमी धरितो तुमचेच पाय. हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय. हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय. वक्रतुंड महाकाय. वक्रतुंड महाकाय. सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची. दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा दयाची. सर्वांगी सुंदर वटशेंदुराची. कंठी जळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव श्री मंगलमूर्ती. दर्शन मात्रे म्हण स्मरणे मात्रे म्हण कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव. हे गजवदना वक्रतुंड महाकाय. हे गजवदना वक्रतुंड महाकाय. वक्रतुंड महाकाय. वक्रतुंड महाकाय.
Thank you, Shivani and Shantala, for the lovely recitation. We have got a lot of dignitaries today, and I would request, firstly, President-elect Vikram to welcome our District Governor, Rotarian Ramesh Meher. I would request our President-elect 21-22 Shivani to welcome our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Ramesh Lahoti. Mahesh Lahoti, sorry. I'm so sorry, Mahesh. Ramesh is a very popular word nowadays in our district, so we do slip up. I would request, Kishore Bhai is here? No, Kishore is not yet, right? I would request our Secretary 2021-22 Jayashree Chabrani to please, Prakash is also not here. DK has also not come. Okay. I would request now to please give me permission to use the podium for my report. Everybody. While the dignitaries are taking their chairs, seats on the floor, I would request, I first would like to start this meeting myself by recognizing all our past presidents of our club. So I would request Sakshi to please give me the roses, please. We would like to start by telling a story which the team of 2021 has faced. We started with the dream that we will change the world. But when the world changed us, we changed our dreams. And that's what I'm going to narrate to you all about. How we put our dreams in front of us and worked towards a very changing and dynamic situation and got RCNV to the highest platforms possible. DG Ramesh, Assistant Governor Mahesh, President Vikram, Jayashree, Pinaki, all the past presidents, past district governors of our club, fellow members, spouses, honored guests, and Enclave Chair Kishorji. Thank you very much for coming and listening to our story. There was 15 warriors started out. Abhay, Mohit, Mufazzal, Akshay, Jayashree, Fanberg, Sandeep, Nilanjan, Ajay, Shantala, Pinaki, Vikram, Saurabh, and I. Ironically, this is the only photo where all 15 of us are present, and this photo was taken in the year 2019, December. So you will take the irony of the fact that 15 of us could not meet together after that point. The next photos which we see are the photo ops we took during our installation pinning and our last board meeting. Please go ahead. I am really thankful to our District Governor Shabir and Assistant Governor Meenal for the lovely support they have given us during the entire year with all the administrative matters of the district and the motivation that they have provided. We started online. And we have just gone up a notch that 50 of us are meeting today. But I am sure, as Akshay said in one of the meetings, this should be the last term where we all have got the COVID start and the COVID end. I'm just praying for that. For the avenues of service which we worked in, first, the club service. Our total membership active during this year ended at 161 members. We have 5 honorary members, a growth of 7%. Lady members constitute 33% of our club, a retention rate of 95%. All of us, 100% have been registered on Rotary.org. With the efforts of President-elect Vikram, 55 members had registered for the district conference. We have got members who have enlightened and are going to join us soon. So that will be shared later. Next, please. Meetings. Despite the COVID situation, 47 meetings took place. 27 speaker meets, 1 panel discussion, 3 physical rare meetings, 4 mini fellowships, and 4 joint meetings with other clubs across the district and beyond. Next, please. Fellowships. The Vision Premier League, Diwali Queen of Lights, and other fellowships which you can see took us forward and kept us bonded together. Next, please. The brief opening that we got during the year gave us 3 Take Rotary homes. Next, please. Vocational Insights is something which we started new this year. 8 total vocational insights were held during the entire year. 35 Rotarians and spouses displayed what they do for their livelihood. And this is a program which we specially started when we were online, and it could be really well implemented as people started knowing each other very well. Our mouthpiece, Vision. 11 digital episodes, 11 online episodes like the year has been online. So we have got 11 online episodes, and today we shall release our first physical copy during the year as our annual copy. Our website and social media pages were up to date and running. Next, please. A club service during the year, what else we did? We printed a roster, thanks to the team 1920. We distributed the cake along with the roster, so it was a good, happy day. Our greetings committee was in full strength, shelling out greetings every day, every time the members' occasions were wished. The business meetings and AGM took place on time and regularly. Next, please. The community service. As a tradition, we started community service with the blood donation camp. In total, we could hold 3 blood donation camps and approximately get in 60 blood units. Next, please. The Soul to Soul. This is a project which we have done for the last long period of time, and it is a earmark project for us. Approximately 200 feet blessings we took when we gave them footwear during the hot summer months. Warm Hearts, another project that defines us. 1,200 blankets distributed, And this also through 13 police stations this year. Very critical element of this project, Warm Hearts, is to get through it to the police stations, not only building our PR with the police, but also helping them help others. These blankets have been distributed to the homeless people in the streets, most of the places. Next, please. Microcredit. Microcredit, 15 women have benefited this year with our microcredit initiatives for an amount of about 3 lakh rupees. We also gave one student a microcredit to pursue the higher education. Smiling Faces. Amount spent in Smiling Faces is approximately 3,50,000, and more than 125 students have benefited in the Smiling Faces. Nurture Lives. 150 pregnant or lactating women were given their daily dose of vitamins and proteins through this project. Amount spent in this project was about 3.5 lakh rupees and donated by our members itself. COVID care. Under the various projects of COVID care, food distribution, a vaccination drive with the enclave. We were part of the COVID control enclave, COVID control room of the enclave. We distributed beds. About 22 beds were distributed to the COVID hospitals. Next, please. Mobiles and cycle distribution. Mobiles being the tool right now for our lovely online education channel. We distributed 30 mobile sets to needy children, 38 cycles were distributed to the needy students, and 3 wheelchairs were also given during this project. WINS. Under this, menstrual health hygiene was taken a very big priority under this 2021 board. Total 2 physical WINS sessions, 15 webinars were done for various sections of society, colleges, high schools, inner wheels, and other Rotary clubs. Oxygen concentrators. During the second wave of COVID, when there was a lot of gap in this, in getting the beds, our club procured oxygen concentrators worth ₹5 lakhs and give it to the people who are needy and requiring oxygen. After the second wave subsided, 2 to 3 oxygen concentrators were also given to Niramaya Bahudeshya Sanstha for their regular rural use. Though we had a medical global grant with SVMM, which I shall be mentioning later, medical equipment worth 5.5 lakh rupees were distributed to the SVMM for their regular COVID operations and their ICU operations. Also, next, we have donated a printer to MSS for their regular utilization in the office. The Environ project. After the blood donation, this is the first project all Rotary clubs work in. This year, we got a very different angle to it. We told everybody to plant a tree in their own house and the neighborhood where they to take care. A lot of trees were planted, and we got huge response from every section of the society. Thanks to Times of India, they covered this event beautifully. And also, we have got the police commissioner and the municipal commissioner also planting the trees for this project. Thank you. The dose, diet, and drills. This is something we started a little late, thought about a little late, but again, it started. 2 children, Pritesh and Saksham, were detected with juvenile diabetes. And as we know, juvenile diabetes for the underprivileged section of the society is really, really a bad disease. It does not help children enjoy sweets or help or play or do anything. So we have donated 24,000 rupees each to these 2 children. And 2 more children shall be added, I'm sure, in this year. So this project has started with Pritesh and Saksham at AIIMS, Nagpur. Next, please. Orthopedic surgeries. This Dr. Vijay Shingade does orthopedic surgery for orthopedically challenged children with webbed feet or deformed hands or anything. So we took the lead in giving sponsorship for 2 children worth ₹80,000. For the operations of these 2 children at Dr. Vijay Shingade, and they should be able to live a near normal life now. Pulse polio. Yes, pulse polio should not be forgotten. In the brief opening time we got, Pulse Polio Action also came in. We contributed to the Pulse Polio cause also. The next, club support projects as a part of community service projects. Members, spouses, friends were supported with bed availability, food availability, medicine availability, vaccination, mental and moral support within the club. The youth service. Interact. We have got 6 Interact clubs when we started the year, and we added 1 this year. Interact has been very close to our hearts. The installation of the Interact clubs took place online apart from the new club where we presented the charter physically. There was a vocational and Interact festival this year. We had an elocution contest for the Interactors. And at last, just before signing off, Interact flag exchange took place with the Rotary clubs of Nasik. Rotaract. Rotaract, 3 Rotaract clubs are active for us this year. All the 3 clubs have received the presidential citation from RI. Rota Kids. Our membership strength largely lies between the ages of 35 to 50. A lot of us have small children, and these children have to be a part of our Rotary family, and this is our family culture we have imbibed in our children. So a formal program called the Rota Kids program has been launched from the last few years, and we are using this platform to give children the confidence and necessity to be a part of the Rotary family. As you see one of the pictures, the biggest Rota Kid is there, DG Shabir. So that is also there. We have got sessions like dance with Pawan Mangoli, food projects, and the biggest project our Rota Kids team undertook was the district group on Fun with Feelings. This was a project they took with the entire district team. And Rita Agrawal, our DAGMI chair, was there. And the Rota Kids themselves conducted this program, and it was largely appreciated. Next. Muna. This Muna was our local Muna, which we took here for our state board and new central board schools. 92 delegates attended this program, and it was a huge success. Then the international Muna. Few highlights I will just put it before me going more ahead. 460 delegates, 6 countries, 4 languages, English, Hindi, Marathi, and the sign language. RI President-elect at that time, Shekhar Mehta, and President-elect now, was the chief guest of the function. We had the Indian ambassador to the United Nations giving us a report, and Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of United Nations, also giving his message for this. It was a huge success, and I am really happy with this project, and I'm sure DG Ramesh will take it forward. The vocational service. Nation Builder Awards. This year we gave the Nation Builder Award to 2 of our associate schools teachers. Srimati Durga Chhede from Deaf and Dumb School and Mr. Ashfaq Sheikh from Dadibai Mulinchi Shara were the proud recipients of this award. Vocation training. 15 workshops conducted by 2 dynamic ladies, Rotarian Sadhna Paliwal and Rotarian Pallavi Upganlawar. And these 2 ladies have covered the entire spectrum of economic and gender workshops. We have given workshops to people at the remand home. We have given workshops to specially abled kids and the works. And this has been very helpful for them to take forward their vocations and parallel professions. International service. First, what everybody would like to know, the Rotary Foundation. Total contribution to the Rotary Foundation this year from us has been $3,815, or about 2,80,000 rupees. 11 PHFs were formed. And the best part about this Rotary Foundation this year is 100% of all the members have contributed something to the Rotary Foundation. Our crown this year, the Global Grant, started in the year 1920. This Global Grant project was executed by this team 2021 at the Swami Vivekananda Medical Mission. An amount of rupees 38 lakhs was sanctioned for this project. And we have given this Swami Vivekananda Medical Mission an ICU equipped to handle the second wave. It was just started before the second wave. Unluckily, because of COVID, there could not be any formal ceremony to open this. But when it came in use, it really came in use. More than 400 patients have benefited from this global grant of ours. Apart from the 38 lakhs which we spent, and the next slide, please, Dinesh, there's one more slide. Yeah. Apart from the 38 lakhs which we spent on global grants, the club also added 5.5 lakh rupees of equipment, which I had mentioned earlier, and another 2 lakh rupees for supplementing this global grant because of the devaluation of the dollar. IYE. Though this year there was no IYE, but we had rebound students coming back. So there was a session for our IYE 2 kids who went to the United States and came back and gave us their experiences on this lovely program of Rotary. Our shining glory, the superstar. The preliminary rounds were held, and also the final rounds were held in the District Conference Connect. And it was a huge success, and we have received great accolades from across the district for this program. Action groups. This was something which we worked with the international concept of the formation of action groups. 2 action groups, one for cycling named Rotary on Wheels, and one for adventure. Rotary Adventure Action Group were formed this year. And Rotary Adventure Action Group was formed during the last part of the tenure, and we have already had 1 visit. The Rotary Cycle on Wheels is a very ongoing feature, and a lot of people join the group for cycling. The press appreciated our efforts for our entire projects. One more slide, please, Dinesh. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a wonderful year for all of us. I would thank the members of the Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision and the spouses of the Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision to have given us the opportunity to serve the club in the capacity of the board of 2021. It has been an honor or privilege for all my board members to serve this club in the year 2021. I would also thank the members of the board of the Rotary Club of 2021 to push me, hit me, ye Sujan hai, hard, and making my term as a president of the club a beautiful term, and I will never forget it. I would thank the past president and past district governors of our club to have guided, imbibed the concept and principles of Rotary in our board. I would thank the board of 21-22 to be a part of our board projects, last 3 board meetings. I would fail if I do not thank my mother and father for all the support and guidance, my daughter Miloni, and last but not the least, Hetal. She has always been a strong support. Let me put it this way, Rotarian Hetal. She has always been a strong support, guidance, and help to everything what I have done and what I have achieved. And it has been an honor and privilege to serve the club as the president of 2021. Thank you very much, and I wish the board a very, very lovely tenure of 21-22. Hetal. Before I go, as is customary, to give their 2 bits to the next board, and I have been told I need to do it, so here goes. What I have learned in the past 2021 from an excellent team I have had is teamwork takes the cake. If the team is there, we can always achieve anything which is difficult, and we have achieved the most difficult tenure of Rotary 2021. Delegation and trust is what I had believed in the year 2021. And I have, for all I know, delegated and trusted people who we were working with. The support of the past is very important. The writing on the books is just a theory, but the practical comes from the support of the past. And it will be very important for the board of 21-22 to take it forward. We may know a lot of things, but the dice does not always roll our way. And the last advice I shall give to the board of 21-22 is we will shine if all of us shine together. So let others shine and let others take the club forward. Thanks a lot. Before I invite everybody to the dais, firstly, I would like to recognize the presence of Kishore Rathiji and PK. Sir, welcome. Our Vision magazine, the first physical copy of the Vision magazine is ready. I would request our IPP Sohrab and DG Ramesh to please come over and inaugurate the magazine. Vikram, please step forward with them. the time for declaring the annual awards. Trust me, sir, it is not a very easy thing when you have got such a dynamic club membership to give these awards. I've tried my best, but I've given the best. Dinesh, the awards, please. Yeah, annual awards for the year 2021. Next slide. Best chair in community service medical, sponsored by Rotarian Gulab and Padma Mahant. Okay, before I go for the awards, it was due to the COVID restrictions, we could not have everybody here to take the awards. The awards shall be physically presented in the first, in any of the open meetings. Vikram has promised me that. Thank you, Vikram. And I will just be announcing the awards today as is customary. The award for the outstanding citizen, again, which is a part of our club culture, has not been announced right now. Again, Vikram has promised me that we shall be giving it in one of the open meetings of the club so that we can hear the person who gets the award. The best chair in community service medical, sponsored by past President Rotarian Gulab and Padma Mahant, goes to Dr. Anuradha Srikhande. Her work in Project Nutrition has been exemplary. Next, please. The best chair in community service non-medical, sponsored by past President Rotarian Suresh and Meela Kulkarni, goes to Rotarians Nitya Agrawal and Shantanu Khedkar for the work they have done. Next, please. The best chair in club service, sponsored by Charter President Rotarian Manohar Gulhar. Award for best chair service goes to Rotarian Prashant Yadav for his exemplary work in vocational excellence, vocational insights. Best chair in vocational, international, and youth service. Boy, that was a tough one. Goes to Rotarians Priyanka Gandhi and Sapna Vastani for their involvement in Mona. Rotarian Aditi Raje Bhosle, Vandana Bansal, and Vinita Saraf for their involvement in Interact. Outstanding director, sponsored by Rotarian Rajiv and Amita Bahel, goes to Mufazzal, Sandeep, and Mohit for their exemplary work in delegating and getting things done from others. Past President Rotarian Chandru and Manju Shahani, trophy for the outstanding Rotary spouse, goes to Rotarian Sonal Singhvi. Late Mrs. Goel and Irwan Rustam Kanga, award for the outstanding Rotary couple. This goes to two couples. First, Doctors Shantala and Sadashiv Bhole, and Pallavi and Rahul Upganlawar. Rotarian Kanchan and Dinesh Naidu trophy for the best new member goes to Rotarian Yogesh Paliwal. Past President Ninal and PDG Praful Mokadam trophy for the best new spouse, sponsored by Rotarian Shriya and Shaunak Mokadam, goes to Rotarian and Megha Agrawal. You all must have not known the story behind it, but she was very instrumental in helping us get a lot of help from Kingsway during the second wave of COVID. And she was there for us throughout. A lot of members, friends, and spouses benefited from her help through Kingsway. Rotarian Sarang and Priya Upganlawar, best trophy for the best new couple. Diddi and Bhavesh Tahil Ramani. Late past President Rajan Bhatia Award for Service with a Smile, sponsored by the Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision, goes to three people: Amit Chandak, Nilanjan Bhomik, and Ajay Budhwani. This is my favorite award. I'll tell you why. The Lifetime Service to Rotary Award. That does not mean we are finishing the lifetime here. That just means I don't think I will be able to do that much they have done in their lifetime. That's the only reason I've given the award. It goes to Rotarians Manju and Chandru Shahani. Late PDG Neelu Chaudhary, CN Shari, and Kumar Sathe Award for the Outstanding Rotarian of the Year, sponsored by PDG Vishwas Sahasrabojni. Tough time, but two people get this award. Firstly, Dr. Akshay Daga and Pinaki Mukherjee. That is about it for 2021. Thank you very much, and it has been a pleasure to serve. I would request all the dignitaries to please join me on the dais. I must come to say goodbye to this scholar and give it to the next rightful owner. And I am sure the team 21-22, in its all best, will make this report a longer one, as Akshay had done, and give you all a fantastic year. Thank you very much. Vikram, can we please do the honors?
Thank you, immediate past President Jatin Sampath. I have the pleasure to pin Jatin as the IPP of our CNV.
I request Mr. Kumar Kale, who is a close friend of President Vikram Naidu, to introduce him to us.
My walking stick to rest properly so that I can pick it up later when I go. So thank you all. District Governor Ramesh Meher, Rotary President Vikram, past President Sampath, Jatin, and all Rotarians and Rotarians. It is my pleasure to introduce a good friend of mine, Vikram. Our families have been good friends for last, I think, more than 50 years. My grandfather's time and his father's time, they were close friends. In fact, they were doing their business very close to each other. The famous RI Works of Nagpur still has a lot to say about it today. Vikram was born in Chennai and was educated in Nagpur. The family moved here. He did his schooling from SFS and graduation from Hislop College, and then post-graduation from Symbiosis, Pune. His spouse, Shalini, hails from Chennai again, and they have two children, Avantika and Prithviraj. Both the children are in the United States. Avantika is happily married there, and she is a doctor, what is it? Physiotherapist. I get always confused with doctors, because I have to go to many doctors, so therefore I mix up. Anyway, अगर किसी दोस्त को डिस्क्राइब करना है तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बड़े प्यारे होते हैं ऐसे रिश्ते जिनमें न कोई हक है न कोई शक है। इसी श्रृंखला में विक्रम आते हैं, और विक्रम को जैसे मैंने कहा कि कई सालों से, कई वर्षों से मैं जानता हूँ, और साथ साथ विक्रम की क्वालिटीज़ में मैं अगर देखना चाहूँ तो मैं समझता हूँ कि जिसकी ज़िंदगी में स्पोर्ट्स ज़्यादा महत्व रखता है उसकी ज़िंदगी बहुत खुशहाल होती है। मैं भी एक ज़माने में बैडमिंटन, टेनिस और गोल्फ, विक्रम के साथ टेनिस और गोल्फ मैंने बहुत खेला, लेकिन अब मेरा छूट गया वो सब। लेकिन विक्रम अभी भी कंटिन्यू करता है, जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है उसे छोड़ता नहीं है और गेम में दिलचस्पी रखता है। विक्रम एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी में है नागपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हार्डकोर टेनिस एसोसिएशन। विजय नायडू जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, उनके छोटे भाई, वो भी पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके हैं, और सुधीर बिवापुरकर वो भी पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके हैं। और मेरा भी रोटरी से रिश्ता रहा है। मैं रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर में कई साल तक मेंबर रहा। किसी को पहचानने में हमें कभी कभी थोड़ी दुविधा हो जाती है, हम अच्छे से पहचान नहीं पाते, लेकिन अगर हम किसी की एक ह्यूमन क्वालिटी को अगर पहचान सके तो उसके कोई भी उसका आदमी के बारे में ये कहना चाहिए कि ह्यूमन क्वालिटी सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है आज की परिस्थिति में। और ऐसी ह्यूमन क्वालिटी के संरक्षण विक्रम है। मुझे याद है करीब 20-22 साल पहले मैं टोटल पैरालाइज हो चुका था। रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर की मीटिंग हर थर्सडे हुआ करती थी। पहले बिशप कॉटन में होती थी, तो मेरे ख्याल उसी समय की बात है, बिशप कॉटन में जब मीटिंग होती थी तो हर थर्सडे 7:30 बजे मीटिंग ख़त्म होती थी और विक्रम सीधे मेरे घर आता था। एक थर्सडे नहीं चुका, कम से कम 3 महीने लगातार हर थर्सडे विक्रम आने हैं। मेरे घर के लोग ये कहने लगे थर्सडे हो गए, आए नहीं नायडू साहब। मतलब घड़ी देखो, बोले 7:30 बज चुके हैं, 10 मिनट और रुको। बराबर 10 मिनट पे ये वहाँ पहुँच जाए। और ये आते थे मुझे सांत्वना देने, मुझे बताने कि ये सब टेम्परेरी फेज़ है, ये निकल जाएगा, आप इसको ह्यूमन क्वालिटी कहेंगे या नहीं, ये मुझे बताइए। और उसी ह्यूमन क्वालिटी की वजह से मैं विक्रम का प्रशंसक रहा हूँ। भले ही कुछ लोग ना रहे हों, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये ह्यूमन क्वालिटी बहुत कम लोगों में देखी गई है। और मैं तो ये इंडिविजुअल तौर पे बात बता रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये जब कम्युनिटी सर्विस के प्रोजेक्ट्स में, रोटरी के कम्युनिटी सर्विस के प्रोजेक्ट्स में जब इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, उस वक्त भी इनका एंथुजियाज़म कहीं कम नहीं है। ये हमेशा रोटरी के प्रोजेक्ट्स में शुरू से ही साथ लेते रहे, एंथुजियाज़म भरपूर था, कहीं ज़्यादा तो कहीं उससे ज़्यादा और कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा। तो ये अलग अलग प्रकार का एंथुजियाज़म इनमें रहा है। और ये मैं समझता हूँ कि इस साल रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर विजन का जो पदभार इन्होंने आज से संभाला है, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बड़े बखूबी से इसको निभाएंगे और इस क्लब को और ऊंचाइयों की तरफ ले जाएंगे। और अगले वर्ष जब नए प्रेसिडेंट आएंगे तो उन्हें सोचना पड़ेगा कि अरे इन्होंने इतना काम कर दिया, अब मेरे को प्रॉब्लम ना हो जाए, मैं क्या करूं। तो हमेशा हर क्लब प्रेसिडेंट ने यही सोच करके आगे अगर बढ़ेंगे तो रोटरी का नाम और गरिमा तथा समाज में उसकी जो आवश्यकता है उसके बारे में रोटरी जरूर ऊंचा रहेगा। तो विक्रम, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड टू मी, एंड ऑल्सो थैंक यू फॉर ऑल व्हाट यू हैव डन फॉर मी एंड ऑल्सो फॉर दिस सोसाइटी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar Kale, for this wonderful introduction. It's true, we all need to cultivate this quality of being humane. That's most important. I now request President Vikram Naidu to deliver his acceptance speech.
Thank you very much, my dear friend Kumar, for that wonderful introduction and for the encouraging words. Good morning and a warm welcome to District Governor Ramesh Meher, Assistant Governor Mahesh Lahoti, IPP Jatin, past District Governors Satish Shule and Vishwas Sahasrabojni, past Presidents Manmohan Daga, Ganesh Joshi, Gulab Mahant, Chandru Sahani, Manju Sahani. If I am missing out anybody else, of course, past President Rajiv Bell, Saurabh Kanga, Enclave Chair Kishore Rathi, District Secretary Prakash, fellow Rotarians and spouses, our guests Kumar, past President Sudhir Bhivapurkar, and my brother past President Vijay. I grew up watching my father Vaman Naidu in the 70s attend Lions Club meetings at the Feroz Bellemoria Pavilion of the VCA, and later on at the Rotary Club meetings. Dad was recognized as a 100%er in Rotary circles. Attending high school, I was first a member of the Leo Club, and thereon became a Rotractor. The 70s witnessed many Lions Club members joining the Rotary International in Nagpur. Some distinguished members who were frequent visitors to my father's office were PDG Chari, PDG Bobby Srinivas, KK Mankeshwar, NKP Salve, SK Chitnavis, Shodan Malji Mokha, Dr. Govardhan, and many others. My early road track years were very exciting, as our members were from LAD College. Government Medical College, Hislop College, VRC, etc. The projects done during those times are still so fresh in my mind. Brides of India show, feeding the flood-affected victims in Butibori, youth festivals, road track district conferences were some of the events. In the early 90s, old memories struck a chord, and I found myself getting inducted in the Rotary Club of Nagpur with my aunt Shalini, daughter Avantika, and son Prithviraj. The background and current credentials were in place, and within no time, we were a happy Rotary family, made many friends. My uncle R.P. Naidu and brother Vijay were already senior members then. Fond memories of volunteering in the Hemalkasa camp, chilly winter mornings, later on sunset at the Sangam, and fellowship in the evenings, sports events on Valentine's Day with their special children, the never-ending list of guest speakers, winter fellowships, practice sessions, so on and so forth, ladies' nights. There have been, a complete volume of stories which can be mentioned some other day. The past 4 years has been another roller coaster ride, reviving the Rotary Club of Nagpur vision, infusion of new blood, and watching the amazing energy these new members have in them. As I now embark on the President's office for the Rotary year 21-22, the flashes of my years with the Rotary community keep springing up. I have enjoyed every bit of these wonderful years and will do so for many more to come. We have started many flagship projects in RCNB, the microfinance for women empowerment, smiling faces, educational scholarships, nutrition for pregnant women, warm hearts, distributing warm clothes in winters, soul to soul distributing chappals during summers, dose diet and drills for treating diabetic children, Kidathon for kids, Rota Kids, Muna, Raila. The icing on the cake is the COVID ICU started under the Global Grant Project of $50,000 at the Swami Vivekananda Vision Medical Mission. I am indeed honored and to be given the opportunity to serve as President RCNB for the Rotary year 21-22. You have my sincere assurance that I will be dedicated in the cause of Rotary in this role, the same way I have demonstrated my commitment over the past few decades, since I was first inducted in Rotary in the year 1997. My wife and First Lady Shalini shares the excitement and commitment to serving RCNB. Our lives have been instantly changed by the pandemic since the past year and a half. Many times I have had to stop and pause to reflect on the reality of what is happening. Immediate past President Jatin and team have done some amazing work, raising the profile of RCNB, and I will be proud to continue this progress. The same is reason enough to reach out to the community and underprivileged. I cannot express to you how happy and excited we are. I might have had a late start. However, I promise you that with Shalini's support, I'm ready to serve as your president. I can also assure you in the coming year, I will work with my team to lead our organization to further success. To me, we are all members of Rotary International, and we work together using our own strength and abilities to serve the organization. I strongly believe Rotary also has to be fun. We need fellowships and must also emphasize our core values. Again, I cannot begin to express my gratitude for this honor, and I feel a tremendous responsibility to make the most of it. Rotary has been one of the great joys in my life. I look forward to sharing that joy with all of you as the next president. I'm grateful to my loving parents, former Rotarian Vaman and Rama Naidu, for their support all along, and blessings coming my way from Radha Swami Satsang Bias, Punjab, where they have been residing for the past 27 years. In Ashok and past President Vijay, I have two younger brothers sharing their love and affection in so many ways. In my life, my children, Dr. Avantika and son-in-law Elliot from Boston and son Prithviraj from Dallas, are also thrilled to learn about the limelight of their parents. Blessings from Mrs. Leela Krishnamurthy, my mother-in-law, is also there from Chennai. I welcome and urge the members of my board to serve, to change lives in all the projects and fellowships we plan to do in the coming year at the Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision. Thank you. Over to you, Shantala.
Yeah. Thank you so much for those wonderful words, President Vikram Naidu. I'm Dr. Shantala Bhole,
I am Dipali Hussain.
and we are indeed privileged to be introducing the board of 2021-22 in this esteemed gathering. Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. My dear Rotarians and friends, the brightest stars today are our board members, and they're eager to shine for the benefit of others.
ये एक नया साल है, एक नई शुरुआत है और चीजें बदलेंगी. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. As we have already seen in Vikram, RCNV as a leader who has courage to make tough decisions and compassion to listen to the needs of others. Please put your hands together for President Rotarian Vikram Naidu, RCNV. Hearty congratulations and best wishes.
She is a multi-talented lady, an achiever in all the fields, be it academics, sport, dance, or music. She is a cataract and ophthalmic plastic surgeon, consultant at Sai Eye Hospital and Kingsway Hospital. She is also an actor. She has acted in Marathi dramas and short films. She is a marathoner, a cyclist, and a fantastic cricketer. She is a hitter, capable of getting the sixes and the boundaries needed by the club. Please welcome President-elect Rotarian Dr. Shivani Sule with a big round of applause.
He is very enthusiastic and enterprising. He is always willing to try something new and lend a helping hand. He is a businessman who has franchise of SOTC holidays. If you are planning a vacation, he is your go-to person. He is past secretary of Lions Club. He loves traveling, making friends, music and dance. Please welcome Vice President Rotarian Ajay Uplanchiwar.
She is the backbone and the strong arm of the team. She is the MD of Eminence Arts and Education Private Limited. Another versatile lady in the team. She is a homemaker, an author, a graphologist, and so much more. She is creative, capable, bubbly, and enthusiastic, and she has the ability to tackle any challenge. Let us put our hands together for Secretary of RCNV, Rotarian Jayashree Chhabrani. Yeah, we request Rotarian Pinaki to kindly hand over the mantle to Secretary Jayashree Chhabrani.
She is friendly and approachable. Her laid-back attitude actually conceals a perfect taskmaster. A French teacher by profession, she is an active member of Toastmasters Club, Mahavir International, and other organizations. She is an avid marathoner, cyclist, trekker. She loves traveling, cooking, and is currently learning Kathak. Please put your hands together for Joint Secretary, Rotarian, Ritika Singhvi.
Next. He is meticulous and fulfills every task, whether big or small, with infinite precision and perfection. His accounting abilities will definitely be an asset when it comes to tackling financial situations. He is also the president of Fireworks Dealers Association. He is the recipient of the Best Entrepreneur Award, MSME 2009-10. Let's welcome Treasurer Rotarian Sohail Amin with a big round of applause.
हमारे सारे सपने सच हो सकते हैं अगर हमारे पास उनका पीछा करने का साहस है. She is a compassionate lady devoted to community service, be it young children or senior citizens. She has an experience of social work with National Council of Women, India. She's a dedicated volunteer at Isha Foundation since 2015. She is unassuming, soft-spoken, and very effective. She's passionate about gardening, social work, and spiritual practice, which keeps her occupied. Please welcome Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Vanita Shukl.
She is the stylish lady with a perfect. Dr. Madhumati Dhawad is an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, practicing since the last 20 years. We have many marathoners in our club actually. She's also one, and she's a sports lover. Additionally, she loves cooking and baking. She's capable of and confident of taking the club service to new heights. Let us welcome Rotarian Dr. Madhumati Dhawad with a big round of applause. She is the director for club service this year.
He is a banker and a whiz with numbers. He is a postgraduate in management. Currently, he is working as Deputy General Manager, HDFC Limited. He has the ability to convince people to believe in the magic of our unique projects and involve everyone to participate. Let us welcome Director Admin and PR, Rotarian Raj Mahadik.
He is a person who is definitely going to make a difference in the lives of countless young people and take youth service to another level altogether. He is the director at Chandak Instruments Private Limited. He loves cooking and long drives. His motto is to live, laugh, and enjoy life. We are sure he will be instrumental in building self-confidence amongst the youth. Let's put our hands together for Director Youth Service, Rotarian Amit Chandak.
He has the talent to capture the energy and exuberance of the people and channelize it into meaningful change for the society. He has retired as principal of Sri Sai College of Engineering and Technology, Bhadravati. He has more than 70 publications and articles in national and international journals. He has been very active in social work with RCNV, Indian Masonic Lodge, and other organizations. Please welcome Director Vocation, Rotarian Jugal Kishore Agarwal.
He is a practicing advocate, Bombay High Court and Trial Court since 22 years. His areas of expertise involve commercial law, industrial law, IT, and property law. He's also been associated with legal aid. He's socially active with culturally diverse. Please put your hands together for Director International Service, Rotarian Harish Thakur.
Harish is presently in the High Court. His proceedings are on, and he has appealed to be excused today. He is, however, joining us as the Director, International Service.
This charming lady with a winning smile has always been involved in medical service. She will continue this tradition in RCNV as Director of Medical Services. She is an experienced dentist practicing at Ashi Dental Clinic, Sadar. She specializes in pediatric dentistry. She has conducted many oral hygiene awareness sessions known as Piro Patshala. Please welcome Director Medical Service, Rotarian, Dr. Pooja Poddar.
He is a practicing lawyer, Nagpur Bench, Bombay High Court. He is also a passionate environmentalist and member of Swachh Association, Nagpur Garden Club, and Paryavaran Prerna Vidarbha. He is also committed to women empowerment. He believes that there is no higher religion than human service. To work for the common good is the greatest creed. Let's put our hands together for Director Non-Medical Services, Rotarian Ritesh Tahiliani.
The next member on board requires no introduction. He is experienced, remains calm and composed in tough situations. He has all seen We have all seen him at his best during this pandemic. He is dedicated to the upliftment and welfare of children. A foodie at heart, loves badminton and traveling. He is definitely invaluable to the new board. We are sure he will inspire, encourage, and support the board to achieve excellent results. Please put your hands together for immediate past president Jatin Sampat.
नए साल का अभिनंदन और अधिक से अधिक ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करने का ये एक और मौका है. बधाई हो टू द बोर्ड ऑफ 21-22.
I recognize the presence of past President Nilesh Panpalia.
The membership committee for this year, we set out with a motto of at least achieving 25 new entrants to our lovely RCNB family, out of which we're presenting the first 15. The first one is Ms. Garima Gupta. She's a chartered accountant and she's been proposed by Mr. Rotarian Varun Vijay Vargi. The second one is Rotarian, now to be Rotarian, Mrs. Sonam Bhangde Mohta, and her husband Aditya Mohta. Sonam is a banker with Standard Chartered Bank, and Aditya is the photo is not there. You have to keep on clicking. Aditya is a businessman. The third new member which we have with us is Mr. Karan Agrawal. He's also into business, and his wife, Akriti Agrawal. She's a lovely homemaker. Fourth one we have is Mr. Abhinav Bhaskarwar, a prominent businessman with his wife, Priya Bhaskarwar. She's again a homemaker. The next one we have is Mr. Shrikant Mukte. He's been proposed by Rotarian Nivedita Singh. Shrikant is a financial consultant, and his wife, Anushri, is a lawyer. Ms. Smita Bhargav, proposed by Rotarian Ritesh Amidmar. She's an event manager and into digital marketing. We're our very own two spouse members. One is Mr. Bhavesh Tahil Ramani. He's the executive director with BNI Nagpur. And his wife, who's already a member, Riddhi Tahil Ramani. She's a president of Pick a Book Club. Honorary Secretary Jayashri proposed her husband, Kamal Chabrani, who's into business of fruit marketing. And Jayashri, as we all know, is an edupreneur. Next is Mr. Manish Sibbal, who is a MES contractor, and his wife Sonia Sibbal, who is a lovely homemaker. They were proposed by Rotarian Alka Panpalia. We have a lovely mother-daughter duo proposed by Rotarian Ritesh Amedawar of Sneha Hingorani. She's a project manager, and her lovely mother is a homemaker, and that's Mrs. Lekha Hingorani. The rest two, there is Mrs. Revati Deshpande, a psychologist, with her husband Mohan Deshpande. Sorry, the pictures are missing. Vedanti Mhatre, an architect. Again, the picture is missing. Then next we have is Mr. Piyush Ahuja, who's a travel agent, and his wife Mini Ahuja. She's into management. And the last one, that is the 15th one we have, is Mrs. Ojaswini Zamdar. She's a proprietor of Bal Gokulam School. And her husband, Praful Zamdar, is a businessman. And they are the members proposed by our PDG Vishwas Astroposhni. So these are the new 15 entrants with us. Thank you so much.
I would now request Assistant Governor Mahesh Lahoti to kindly introduce our District Governor, Ramesh Meher.
Thank you, Vikram. Congratulations, Jatin, for the wonderful year you had done under pandemic last year. You had seen a vision, and that vision was executed remarkably very well. Our district governor, DG Ramesh, is a very simple, modest, and hardworking person. He is very young at heart. I request Rotarian Dinesh to please present the audio visual
said that
to give his
actions
introduction.
It's said that actions speak louder than words. That's the vision of the most courageous and humble man. Working hard for the service of society to make a difference in countless lives, Ramesh Meher is a truly brilliant individual. It almost feels like a hand of destiny when you find out that he shares his birthday with Rotary International. So it's perfectly fitting when we say that he is a born Rotarian. Ramesh joined the club of Nashik West in the year 1991 and served as a president in the year 2013-14. During his tenure as president, the club received many accolades from Rotary International while also being rewarded for his commitment for 10 district awards. It was in this year that the club received international citation with distinction. Ramesh was honored with the Edul Edalji Best President Award. That year saw the highest per capita contribution to TRF in District 3030 from his club. Ramesh was awarded the Club Builder Award for 3 consecutive years, the Ram Gawande Award in 2014-15, which he humbly says are just byproducts of his continuous efforts. Ramesh has been District Secretary in 2016-17 and Chairman of the President's Enclave in Nashik 2017-18. Recently, he worked as the Chairman of District Annual Fund for 2019-20. Ramesh has diverse experience which includes holding various important positions in the district, mentoring other clubs with valuable guidance and always pushing the envelope in the service of those in need. He has also reached out beyond his circle and attended the RI convention in Atlanta in 2017-18. Ramesh has been elected unopposed to be governor of District 3030 for the year 2021-22. Yet, if you ask him, he'll tell you that he's just getting started, and that is something we need in today's time. An unending, enthusiastic capacity to give, share, help, and solve. Now let's get to know this individual, his roots, and his constant support system, his family. Ramesh is an MBA in Finance from the prestigious Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management, Mumbai. He is a hotelier by profession and owns a 3-star property hotel Surya in Nashik. Ramesh loves to read, travel, and explore the world. He has visited more than 20 countries over 5 continents. Both Ramesh and his spouse Sharda are major donors, and daughters Neha and Sanskruti are Paul Harris Fellows. His grandson Rajveer holds the unique record of becoming a Paul Harris Fellow on the day he was born. Sharda is a commerce graduate and manages their hospitality business. She is also a member of Rotary Club of Nashik West. Elder daughter Dr. Neha is a neurophysician and is married to Dr. Swapnil, an ophthalmologist. Younger daughter Sanskruti is a MBA in Finance and Hospitality and is looking after the family business. So that's our visionary and compassionate hardcore Rotarian. And as an inspired narrator, I'd strongly suggest that you interact with Ramesh personally as he adds value to everyone who meets him. The world continues to be a good place because of individuals like Ramesh who are determined to plant seeds of goodness wherever they can.
Thank you so much. Presenting to you all our District Governor Ramesh Meher.
Thank you, Assistant Governor Mahesh and technical team for my introduction. outgoing President Jatin, Club Secretary Pinaki, incoming President Vikram, Club Secretary Jayashree, Assistant Governor Mahesh, District Secretary Prakash, Enclave Chair Kishore, past District Governors Dr. Satish Sule sir, Vishwas sir, all past Presidents of Rotary Club of Nagpur Region, family members, members of RC Nagpur Region, invited guests, Namaskar. Friends, I am little bit nervous. शब्दप्रभूंच्या समोर बोलायची वेळ आज आली आहे. शब्दप्रभू डॉक्टर सतीश सुळे पीडीजी. शब्दांवर त्यांची जी कमांड आहे ती कोणाची असणं शक्य नाही. त्यांच्यासमोर बोलायची हिम्मत करतोय. कुठे चूक झाली तर माफ कर. Friends, let me first congratulate to Jatin and his team for a wonderful year, wonderful leadership he provided to Rotary Club of Nagpur Region, and a big round of applause for Jatin and his team once again. During pandemic, everybody was at home. I utilized that time in interacting with my presidents. Vikram and me, we had a 2.5 hour or almost 3 hours meeting on Zoom, and we discussed what we can do. And I did this meeting with 55 presidents. Out of 95, 55 were ready for such meeting, and I discussed with 55 presidents individually for 2.5 hours to 3 hours. And we discussed many things. It was just beginning of pandemic, and we were not sure how much this pandemic will hit us. We talked of many projects, many things, how we should go for membership, foundation, and whatnot. And then there was a pandemic. It is almost 1.5 years. We all are experiencing it. In the beginning, we thought from July 22, it will be a normal year because vaccine is coming. So we will have a normal Rotary year. But still, we have to wait at least for 6 more months to have a normal Rotary year. Nevertheless, things will keep on happening. Good things will keep on happening in Rotary. And today, Vikram has started with induction of 15 new members to your family. Congratulations, Vikram, for wonderful start. Membership is our core area, our heart of Rotary. If we have more members, we can plan bigger, bolder projects. We have more hands to work, more brains to think, more hearts to donate. So membership is always the thrust area. But along with membership, this year my focus is on public image. We always do good things for the world, but we never take credit, or we don't take complete credit. And this is what we have observed. When we say there is a problem in membership, that means we are not working on our public image. If our public image is good, people will ask us, I would like to join the Rotary Club of Nagpur Region, and then you will have more and more members. So, Vikram, we have to work on public image, and that will be the thrust area this year, along with service projects and membership. While planning any project, 5 things should be considered. First, benefit to beneficiary, that everyone in each and every project we consider that is our first motto. Second thing, can we join, can we involve, engage non-Rotarians or non-Rotary other organizations than Rotary to our projects? That will help us to do bigger projects. Third, our project should be planned in such a way that it should create more resources for our project, same project or for future projects. By resources, I doesn't mean money. Resources can be knowledge, can be ease of doing thing, can be doing project with lesser cost, or maybe getting some other unexpected help which we never thought of. Fourth, each and every project should build your clubs, Rotaries, our district public image in the minds of public. Fifth and most important is self-satisfaction. If you are not satisfied with your work, you can't expect to get a pat on your back from others. So, Vikram, my request to you, always keep your public image chair along with you, right from conceptualization of the project till the end. At every point there is a story. We should tell this story to the world, how good we are doing, how we are helping society, and how we are trying to build a good world for human race. Friends, we made a promise to this world that we will eradicate polio from this world. Only 2 countries are remaining, Pakistan and Afghanistan. But because of these 2 countries, we have to immunize each and every child which comes to this earth up to the age of 5 years, and the majority of expense is borne by Rotary. India is polio free. Our focus is little bit diluted from polio now, but I would like to bring it back this year on polio. From district, we have created donation boxes. You must have seen Gorakshan donation boxes, NAB donation boxes, or Red Cross donation boxes, small box of acrylic. It will be provided from my side, from district to you, those who are willing to keep at their workplace or at home. My humble request, just donate 10 rupees from your pocket every day. Just a mere small amount of 10 rupees. Visitors, your friends, those who are coming to your place, workplace, or your customers, let them donate whatever they would like to donate. If they don't donate, I don't mind. But at least by keeping that box, you will showcase the work of Rotary which we did in polio to them. And at the end of the year, whatever amount is collected, send it directly to Rotary Foundation on your name or on club's name as the way your club decides for polio. This little contribution will give tremendous boost once again to polio. And my request to Vikram, please let me know how many boxes Nagpur Vision will need. I will definitely provide those to you. Friends, every governor has one dream of conference. Similarly, I would like to host a good conference, a memorable conference this year. It is planned on 8th and 9th January 2022 at Nasik. Name of this conference is Jivan Jashna, and I request all the members of Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision to register yourself and come to Nasik. Let's meet after a gap of 2 years in a conference and have a great conference this year. I request Mahesh to hand over the brochures of conference to Vikram. Last year, your club did a marvelous job in Muna. Hetal will continue her assignment of Muna as district chair for the next year also, and we are looking forward for once more one international Muna this year also. Of course, superstar, your signature project. Yeah, I know. That will be also continued, and we will have grand finale at conference definitely. And I request support from each and every member of Nagpur Vision for me and for my team this year, throughout the year. Whenever Nagpur Vision needs any assistance from my side, I am always there for you and expect same thing from all of you. I thank to members of Rotary Club of Nagpur Vision for inviting me for today's installation ceremony and give me an opportunity to have an interaction with all of you. Thank you once again for your kind invitation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Rup. While coming to Nagpur, my better half Sharda, she has sent some gifts for the incoming and outgoing president secretaries. I would like to hand it over to them, and thank you once again.
Invite Honorary Secretary to make the next week project announcements, please.
Thank you, President Vikram. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected DG Rotarian Ramesh Meher sir, AG Rotarian Mahesh Lahoti, DS Rotarian Prakash Khemchandani sir, Enclave Chair Rotarian Kishore Rathi sir, PDG Dr. Rotarian Satish Sule sir, PDG Rotarian Vishwas Sahasrabhojni sir, all the past presidents, guests, and fellow Rotarians. I will start with the next week's program. So we have great projects coming up the next week. 18th July, first we have a tree plantation at Sanket Ashram Shala, Chimna Zari on Chandrapur Road. 20th July, we have a visit to senior citizens at Panchvati. The team has planned bhajans, antakshari, and copper glasses for every inmate will be sponsored by Honorary Secretary Jayashree's mother, Mrs. Maya Bhojwani. 22nd July, we have our Rotarian member, Dr. Sadashiv Bhole, who is celebrating his birthday at Shraddhanand Ashram by sponsoring lunch for the children there. For the regular meeting, 23rd July, we have a guest speaker, Ms. Rupali Diwan, who will take a workshop on what does your personal image say about you. 24th July, we have a workshop on progressive farming at Village Pet. 25th July, again, we have a tree plantation, which will be at our very own PDG Vishwas's farmhouse. So we have great projects lined up, and we invite all the members, spouses, and Rota kids to be there for all the projects.
Just a minute, Jayashree. I also recognize the presence of past President Anil Singhal-ji, our new Rotarian Kamal Chabrani. May I now request Honorary Secretary to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, everyone, for gracing the installation of President Vikram Naidu and the Board 21-22. Thank you for bestowing your wishes and blessings for the team 21-22. The synergy displayed here today with the presence of the stalwarts, the work done by RCNV, and the installation of the new team assures the RCNV flag soaring higher and achieving more and more milestones. Ramesh sir, we will work parallelly towards the goals set by you and yes, raise the parameters of public image. We assure a great participation at Jeevan Jashna as well. As usual, the team Rotary Superstar and Munna will also rock again. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Please join us for lunch after the national anthem. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I now adjourn the meeting.
Great day it is. A charter day of the club, installation of a new team of a board of directors, and the great governor, Ramesh, a silent person, but like Surya, his name is Surya, his hotel is Surya, he's a rising son of our district. Thank you very much, Ramesh. Ramesh, thanks for coming here for the very special day for my club. See, charter day, कभी भी जन्मदिन जब आता है तो हर एक को अच्छा ही लगता है और चार्टर डे ऑफ दिस रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर विजन थोड़ा सा ये बच्चा बीच में सो गया था having some problem but these people have again revived that baby and that baby now is bubbling with full enthusiasm and what a great this club as the name Vision suggests is showing a vision to the clubs of Nagpur. We are going to have a nice, may I request all the past presidents and members, will you please come forward? We are going to have, may I request Ramesh, please join us for having the, and? Yeah.
सर अब टांग खींच नहीं सकते हो गया सर अब ये बाजू में आ गया है सर टांग खींचने के लिए मैं निकल गया